Hi, my name is Jude with Furniture Fixology, and did you know that over 10 million tons of furniture, really awesome, great, beautiful furniture gets dumped in landfills every year? This stat is an EPA stat from 2008, so you could only imagine how much more is getting dumped every year. We wanted to make a difference. So my husband, Mark, who was trained in custom furniture making, went on the road for 5 years doing warranty work to try and figure this all out, and we actually did. We could do anything from pet mishap chews to leather restoration to watermarks to just the gamut of it all. We can do it, and we do it on site. Usually it takes about an hour, and the best thing, it's affordable. So our mission has been as a family was to save some of this great furniture from ending up in the dump. Like our new friends Jen and Eric from Frisco, they checked us out and they had some leather furniture, and we went in and we cleaned it. We restored the leather and sealed it, and it looks just fabulous now. So check us out. It's www.furniturefixology.com. 214-606-2760. You'll talk directly to me, and I can walk you through how we go about doing it. Please share us on Facebook or with your friends if you know if anybody has a need. We'd love to help them out. Thanks again. This is Jude with Furniture Fixology, and have a great day.